In this video, I'll guide you through the process of using multiple Roblox accounts at the same time. If you find this tutorial useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Using multiple Roblox accounts at the same time allows players to manage different in-game roles or experiment with different strategies and customization options. It can also help in testing game features or running multiple games simultaneously. To begin, open the Roblox homepage on your device. For instance, I have logged into my Roblox account through a web browser using easyfun.gg. Once you're on the homepage, locate the search bar and type Fortline. This is a game available on Roblox. After you search for it, click on the game's icon to open its page, and then press the play button to start the game. This will launch the game, and you'll be able to play it within Roblox, just like you can see on the screen here. Additionally, you can add this game to your favorites if you wish. At the same time, I have logged into another Roblox account using the Roblox app. This allows me to run two accounts simultaneously, one in the browser and the other in the app. On this second account, I'm again searching for the Fortline game. After finding it, I click the play button to start the game, and as you can see, it begins loading on this account as well. Now, with both accounts running, I'm able to play the same game on both. You can see both of my avatars in the game, and it's clear that one of my account's avatar is visible in the other account's game environment. This setup works like a multiplayer server, where both accounts interact within the same game world. This is a simple way to use multiple Roblox accounts to play any game, not just Fortline. You can follow this process for any game available on Roblox, allowing you to enjoy a multiplayer experience across different accounts. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.